Welcome again to our Healthy Cooking Challenge. This is our second episode.
Yes!
Today we are your health chefs. My name is Chef Malunggay today.
And I'm Maminette Balingit. Hello again.
My Chef Maminette Balingit. So, for our second episode, nag-enjoy po ba kayo sa una? And thank you for the feedbacks po pala. Thank you for liking.
Thank you, likers.
Okay? Kahit na naka-home quarantine tayo, and nag-e-enjoy tayo.
Yeah.
Kahit man lang sa pagluluto. Pero again, we want to inspire you again and to share you something healthy, something good na for our body. And at the same time, it's easy, affordable, nutritious.
Yeah.
Okay? And we all know yun nga, naka-home quarantine tayo. Alagaan na lang natin yung health natin. Are you ready for the 2 new recipes? Mami?
Yes.
Okay, and we call this the immune system boosters. Alright? So, recipe po natin is very easy lang and healthy and napaka-Pinoy. Ang first dish po natin, we call it healthy Monggo soup with shout out kay Manny Islet at kay Sis Melissa for sending us the dried malunggay leaves. Thank you. Magagamit na namin ito. Healthy Monggo soup with malunggay leaves and ang palaya. And then, yung second dish natin is, charan! Siyempre, kailangan may kapares. Smokeless grilled tilapia. Inihaw na tilapia po, pero walang lean. So, healthy siya. Yung kay Mami naman, Greaseless. So, Mami, ano yung gamit natin?
So, our ingredients for the Monggo soup.
Gamit natin yung 5 parts po.
Gamit ang 5-quart wok.
Okay, ang
Yung
ingredients.
bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, and then ampalaya, ay bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, and then the patis. Then put the pre-boiled tofu, and then the ampalaya. At saka yung
Monggo. Huwag makakalimutan.
ay nga, and also our pre-boiled Monggo soup, and then the dried malunggay leaf. Pwede din po yung yung fresh malunggay leaf.
Okay, let's
So
begin.
let's start now.
Okay, so first is going to saute.
And greaseless po ito, no? Greaseless Monggo soup, as you can see, walang oil.
Right now, we're sauteing greaseless sauteing the garlic, the onion, and the tomatoes. Greaseless sauteing po naman. Ano po yung mga nutritional values na makukuha natin? Again, garlic has a vitamin C, nasa antibacterial property. Nabanggit ko lang po kahapon yun, and we really love garlic and onions. And it can really boost our immune system, pati yung tomatoes, it has a lycopene. And it's also rich in vitamin C. Now, ano naman ang makukuha natin sa ampalaya, tofu, monggo, at saka yung ibang ingredients natin doon, such as malunggay. So, sa ampalaya, it's rich in vitamin B1, B2, B3, at saka sa vitamin C. And do you know that ang ampalaya po is 2 times yung kanyang beta-carotene is 2 times po than higher than carrots. Tapos, it's also rich in calcium, potassium. So, sa banana pala, 2 times pa siya na potassium. Just sa banana. Sa monggo naman, it has a vitamin B6. So, kasalukuyan nilagay nyo lang yung tofu. Then, pinaprepare na po yung monggo. Ayan. Ang bango. So, sa Saladmaster way, it's greaseless. Monggo has vitamin B6, vitamin C, riboflavin, vitamin A, at saka vitamin C. And then yung tofu naman natin, meron bang good source of vitamin B, protein, iron, calcium, minerals. In short, kailangan natin kapag naka-home quarantine na kailangan natin. Alam mo ba, Mami, na may isa pa tayong kalaban during home quarantine? Nakakahina ng immune system ang laging naka-gadget or TV. We are exposed to radiation.
Now I know.
So, one way to strengthen our immune system is by preparing healthy meals such as, wow! Ano yan binubulbog mo?
Dried malunggay leaves. As I said kanina po, pwede din po yung fresh malunggay leaves ang lagay niyo. Now, i-cover na po natin. Antayin po natin siyang maluto for 20 minutes. Magluluto na po yan.
So, medium fire lang po.
Medium fire
Always
lang
remember, Saladmaster, it's always medium, click, low. Medium, click, low. Okay, now for our second recipe, ito po yung best na ka-partner. Mag-iihaw tayo ng tilapia. Again, this is affordable. You can buy it. Talaga pa mag-iihaw natin. So, nilinisin lang yung tilapia, tapos lalagyan lang mo ng salt and pepper. Pero kagandahan sa Saladmaster, hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng uling pa. Just put some water and then plug in your smokeless grinder or smokeless broiler. And lahat ng gustong ihawin na ho dito. Oops, ayusin lang natin ang mga fishy. By the way, kahit pala frozen, pag Saladmaster, pwedeng ihawin kahit hindi mo na siya i-defrost. Yun yung kagandahan sa atin. Pero good quality yung inihaw mo. Okay. Bala ka na kung ano gusto mong ihawin. Gusto mo lang inihaw na talong. Pwede naman po, inihaw na kamatis, no? Inihaw na pork or chicken. But for now, sabi nga natin, be thrifty muna kasi crisis ngayon. So, kung ano po yung available lang muna dyan, mura, yun naman yung ating ito. Ano naman yung mga benefits nito, mga pinaguluto natin, yung mga vegetables po na ginamit natin, tsaka fish, yung mga benefits po na makukuha natin, it's a blood purifier, it improves our immunity, and it's great for diabetes, and for weight loss. And do you know that? It also fights acne. Opo, totoo po yun. It fights acne. Yung ampalaya-palaya. And then yung sa tilapia naman, it's rich in vitamin B12, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, and niacin. It's a good source of protein also. Yeah. So, in short, it will strengthen
our immune system.
That's very good. So again, patuloy lang po tayo mag-pray and during our home party. Nakakainip po, no? Pero salamat po dun sa iba na nag-e-enjoy na manood ng video na to. And please, if you like our video at nag-e-enjoy kayo, okay? Just press the like button and share it. Share it with your friends because we want to send positive videos just like this amidst dun sa mga negativities na narinig natin. And sabi nga, itong season na to, crisis na to, these too shall pass. So, we keep on praying to God. Okay? We keep on praying to God na this pandemic will end soon. And again, sending hopes and prayers for all, sa lahat ng mga frontliners. So, nandito po kami sa inyo. And doon naman po sa mga nasa tahanan, yun nga ho, marami pang pwedeng magawa di ba ma? Aside from cooking, we can read books, we can educate ourselves, right?
Meditate.
We can learn new things naman inside the home. So, sabi nga naman, we can meditate. And again, if you don't know how to cook, why don't we just cook a nutritious food just like this? So again, you can PM me also. You can PM me if you want to learn a new recipe. Very, very easy. So, actually ngayon, nag-iisip kami ano yung mga survival meals at this moment. So, babalik tayo for our finished product. Now we're back! So, after 20 minutes, syempre, luto na agad. Iniwan lang natin, binalagtad ko lang kanina namin. Pero ngayon, look at the finished product ng niluto natin.
Yes.
Dahil smokeless grilled siya, napaka-easy convenient, no? Hindi umuusok. Kaya okay lang indoor, outdoor gawin yan. Okay lang.
And
ang ganda ng quality, no? Yummy. Okay, next.
Yummy.
Yung ating?
And Jaran, our Monggo soup.
Yay! Sarap.
Look, oh, it's healthy.
The colors, mga greens po.
Nandiyan na lahat.
Again, we hope that you have enjoyed watching our video. And, sabi ko nga, kung nagustuhan nyo, paki-like and share. Instead of sharing the virus, share our video. So, thank you again, and God bless. Let's have happy, healthy cooking and happy, healthy eating. Bye!
Bye! God bless everyone!